Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to unbox Ateez's Season's Greetings for 2023. Let's start. The topic of this Season's Greetings is Will You Be My Partner? I'm excited. I have not seen any unboxings of this yet, so I have no clue what is inside. Alright. Okay. Ooh. Okay. I will remove the stuff that's on top first and turn it around because there's a photo card. Oh no! This time there are 8 photo cards. This time there's a photo card for each member. That's a win. Alright, then we have all these things here. So cute! Okay. I removed everything from the box. Let's see. Okay, so we have these photos here. Gonna open it. Cute. So it's like ID photos, class of 2023, and then there's pictures of each of them. One more serious and one smiling or smiling a bit more. I don't know. 2 moods. Cute. And then we have a picture of everyone, I guess. Yeah. One picture of each. So... okay. So we have this on one side. Although I love both sides, I prefer these pictures. Just like last year, they added a digital planner also. There's a QR code inside. And then here's the making DVD. And this is what it looks like. Then we've got more pictures here. This time there's not like a little photo book or something like the last 2 years. But there's this. Like little cards with 4 photos of each member. And they look so cute. Oh my god. Wow, they are so cool. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Now let's look through the daily planner. I have to open it first. I'm gonna quickly flip through the planner for you and show you a few of the pages, and then off camera I'm going to look at it more closely, but that would be too boring for the video. So let's go. There's also, as usual, the desk calendar. Going to open it and flip through quickly, and then show you the pages. Ta-da! I like how there's always the January of the next year included in these. I'm going to quickly show you the other side of these. Then we have this thing. And get it up. I think you're supposed to put a picture from your member that you want inside, or your picture. Your picture? I'm not quite sure, but yeah. And then we have the photo cards. And this is the first time we get a photo card from each member. Usually it's just one member. And the first one that I bought was 2020. I got Yuno, and last year I got Songwa. So let's look through them. Photo cards are so cute. I'm so thankful that they put one of each member. And yeah, that was the whole unboxing. That was everything. Can't wait to look through it more calmly later. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!